Speak Up English, the key to success.
Hey, Sarah. How's your day going?
Hi, John. It's going pretty well, thanks. How about yours?
Can't complain. So, guess what I've been working on lately?
What's that?
Well, I've been really getting into American English pronunciation.
Seriously? That's interesting. Why are you doing that?
Well, I kinda realized that sometimes the way I talk ain't as clear as I'd like it to be. So, I thought maybe working on how I say things could help me get my point across better.
Makes sense. I mean, good pronunciation helps others understand you easier, right?
Exactly. I found this online course that's been super helpful. It's got all sorts of exercises and tips.
That's cool. Mind sharing a few tips with me?
Of course. One thing I picked up is how important it is to stress the right syllable in a word. Like, instead of saying control, you say control. Makes a big difference.
Got it. Stressing the right syllable. I can see how that helps.
For sure. And another thing is making words flow together smoothly. Like, saying gonna instead of go ing to. Sounds more natural, you know?
Ah, gotcha. Smooth connections between words. That's key.
Absolutely. Oh, and don't forget about those sneaky silent letters. Like in night or ballet. You don't say them, but they're there.
Nodding, silent letters. That's something to watch out for. So, do you feel more confident about your pronunciation now?
I'd say so. I mean, it's a journey, right? But I'm definitely feeling more aware of how I'm talking.
That's great progress, John. It's really cool seeing you take steps to better yourself.
Thanks, Sarah. Your encouragement means a lot. Hey, you think we could practice together sometime?
Absolutely. Count me in, John. Let's work on our American English pronunciation as a team.
Sounds like a plan. And remember, enjoy the process. It's all about getting better, bit by bit.
You're right. Let's dive into this pronunciation adventure together.
Hi there! I've been working on my American English pronunciation lately, and I found it really helpful.
Oh, that's interesting. Why do you think pronunciation is important?
Well, I noticed that sometimes my words don't come out as clear as I'd like them to, and I thought working on my pronunciation could help me communicate better.
I agree. Pronunciation is crucial for making others understand you easily.
Exactly. And one thing I learned is that stressing the right syllable in a word can make a big difference.
Yes, that's true. Stressing the right syllable can make your speech clearer.
And another thing is connecting words smoothly. Like, saying gonna instead of go ing to. It sounds more natural.
I see what you mean. Smooth connections make a difference.
Absolutely. And here's something else. Watch out for those silent letters. Like in night or ballet. You don't say them, but they're there.
Aw, I didn't know that. Silent letters can be tricky.
Yes, they can. But with practice, anyone can improve their pronunciation.
I agree. It's all about being aware of how you're speaking and making progress.
Exactly. And it's not just about sounding like a native speaker. It's about being understood and communicating effectively.
I think that's a great point. Pronunciation is crucial for effective communication.
Thanks! And hey, maybe we could practice together sometime.
Sure, that sounds like a good idea. Let's work on our American English pronunciation together.
Deal! And remember, it's all about enjoying the process and making progress.
You're right. So, let's get started on this pronunciation adventure.
Hey, have you ever thought about working on your American English pronunciation?
Actually, I have. Sometimes I feel like I'm not being understood clearly.
That's exactly why I started practicing. It's been helping me communicate better.
Interesting. What kind of exercises have you been doing?
I found this online course that has lots of tips and tricks. One thing I learned is that stressing the right syllable in a word can make a big difference.
That makes sense. Stressing the right syllable can make it easier for others to understand you.
Exactly. And another thing is connecting words smoothly. Like saying dinner instead of go ing to. It sounds more natural.
I see what you mean. Smooth connections can definitely help with fluency.
And watch out for those silent letters. Like in night or ballet. You don't say them, but they're there.
Ah, silent letters. I always forget about those.
It's all about practice and awareness. Are you interested in practicing together sometime?
Definitely. It would be great to work on our pronunciation together.
Remember, it's all about enjoying the process and making progress.
Absolutely. Let's get started on this pronunciation adventure.